Hello and welcome to my channel. It's a tailored life. My name is Taylor and today's video is packed full of cleaning motivation. I am doing some cleaning all throughout the house. I'm also doing some decluttering, getting rid of a few things. I'm getting a new TV stand brought in, so I need to clear out some space and get that all cleaned up. So if you have any cleaning to do or if you're looking for some motivation, let's go ahead and get started. So first we are starting in my dining room and family room area. I have this TV stand over here that I've had for a while and I got a new one. I've been wanting a new one for a while, but I got a new one and it was in the garage. And my husband, he's like myself, like I don't like to bring new things in when there's a lot of mess. So he was like, hey, whenever you get a chance to like clean up, we can definitely go ahead and bring this in and get it all set up. So that definitely gave me the motivation that I needed to get this space like all cleaned up and decluttered.
Sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes. Wish you could see the things I see.
Now we are moving into my boys' play area, and I normally let them clean this area up themselves, but it's just kind of been getting out of control lately. So the last time they were playing in here, I let them leave it a mess because I knew I wanted to go through and get rid of a lot of stuff. There are a lot of toys in here that they play with sometimes or don't play with at all. So I just went through and anything that looked like junk or trash, I decided to go ahead and get rid of it. Anything that was like broken or just not being used very much, I got rid of it. I kept a lot of books. I don't like to throw away books. I usually will donate books if it's a book that they aren't reading anymore or they're not interested in anymore. But like these toys, I don't always give away their old toys because I don't like to donate like old beat up toys. I don't think any kid actually wants those. So I usually just toss those and throw those away. Unless they look like they're in decent condition, then I will go ahead and donate those also. But also while we're here, before we get too far into the video, I'm talking about my boys, I should introduce myself. My name is Taylor. I am a wife and a stay-at-home mom. I have two boys. My older son Jackson is 7 and I have a 2-year-old Lincoln. They are both like out of the house this summer. Well, for a few hours a day. Jackson is in summer camp and Lincoln goes to daycare part-time. So that's when I get to get a lot of my cleaning and work done around the house. During those like few hours, I have a little bit of time and I love just making cleaning motivation videos and like home decor. Like I love the community that's here on YouTube. So if you enjoy those type of videos, definitely please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here and also say hello to me in the comments. I love like chatting with everyone and getting to know everyone. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine?
Now we are going to declutter our TV console. I've had this one for a while, and when I ordered this on Wayfair while we were out of our house. Our house was being renovated. We live like in a really old home, and we've been doing a lot of work to it since we've lived here. And when we got our floors done, we had to completely move out of the house because we did the floors throughout the entire house at one time. Like, we did a lot of work done. We had some walls taken down. But I knew I wanted new furniture when we moved back in, because me and my husband, when we moved into the house, we really like toughed it out for like the first 6 years, just like making ends meet, like while we had our older son. And we really toughed it out and like saved up, and we got a lot done to the house, and we decided to go ahead and get new furniture when we moved back in. And so we got a lot of furniture from like different furniture stores, but I tried to save money where we could, and I ordered like some stuff off Wayfair. And this TV console was something that I ordered on Wayfair while we were not living in our home. We were staying somewhere else. And in my mind, I was like doing the measurements. I'm like, oh yeah, 2 feet tall is definitely tall enough for a TV console. Like, no problem. And I thought like I got the best deal on the best TV console in the world. And we had the contractors that were working on our house. It got delivered towards the end of the project, and my husband had them put it together because I don't know, in my mind, I just thought it was going to be huge. So my husband asked them to put it together for us because it had gotten delivered to the house. And when I came in, it was so small under the TV. But we had just spent like so much money doing the house. So I was like, I'm definitely not getting rid of it. Like, we're going to keep it, and I'll wait until we're, good, and I can get a newer, bigger one. So we decided to like wait it out. So I've had this TV console for about 2 years. And recently I went into Sam's Club, and they had this big, beautiful TV console that I love so much. It was $800, and I was like, I'm not going to buy it right now. I'll just wait. Maybe I'll save up for it. And I went the other day, and it was on clearance for $249. And I was just looking like I was in Sam's Club getting snacks for the boys for summer. And I was just looking, and I saw it, and I called my husband, and I'm like, we have to get this. You have to figure out a way to come here right now and pick this up. So they let me buy it in Sam's Club, and I bought it, but I came back later with my husband and his friend. They came with a truck and picked it up and brought it home. It was so big, but the good thing was it was so big and it was so heavy because it was already put together. So we literally just had to like take it out of the box and put it on the floor, and it was put together. I love it so much. It's so beautiful. You'll see towards the end, it looks a lot better and meshes well with the look in the house once I clean up, because it's a disaster in here right now. But once I clean up and I put some decor on it, I absolutely love this TV console. I'm so happy I got it for such a good price, and it has so much storage space, so I can put so many things away. I love it so much. Let me know in the comments if you all like it, and if you do, definitely check your local Sam's Club because they may have it on clearance for you too. So it is now the next morning, and I usually wake up around like 5:30 or 6 a.m. So I got up really early just to go ahead and get some things done around the house, because yesterday after we put the TV console in, I had to like quickly just hurry and get things back in order because it was time for me to go pick up the boys. So this is the next morning, and I just had some laundry that I needed to tackle. I've been doing my best to stay on top of laundry. For me, like, the best way to stay on top of laundry is to do at least one load a day, just because we're a family of 4, and I have a 2-year-old who's constantly needing a change of clothes throughout the day. It just works so much better for me to do at least one load a day. If I can do 2, I try to do 2. It just makes things so much easier for me. And what I like to do is, like, as soon as I finish folding, go ahead and go put everything away right away. It just makes it so much easier and helps me to not have laundry just lingering around.
I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Everything's so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. You make everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to you.
Now it is all clean in here, and after I cleaned up, I kind of was like unsure about the TV console. I was like, does it look too different? Like, especially with like so many grays and blues, and this didn't really have any, but I felt like the colors were neutral enough that it could like blend in. So I was like, it looks really good, but does it blend in? But you'll see later, I did go back and I put some decor on it, and once I did that, it like looks perfect and goes so well with the home. But I wanted to quickly clean up my boy's bathroom because this is summer. It's not too messy. My older son Jackson has been doing pretty good with cleaning it. Every evening after they take their baths, Jackson will usually go back in and he'll do his own little, clean up in the bathroom. He's 7, so I don't put a lot of pressure on him to make it perfect, but I do like for him to like really try his best. And I wanted to try something different when cleaning the bathroom. Normally I just use like some type of antibacterial like cleaning spray on the counters, but I had been cleaning my kitchen counters and cabinets with pine salt in the sink. I would just use like warm water and pine salt, and I saw someone doing this in their bathroom, and I don't know why this never like crossed my mind to try it. So I was like, oh, I should do this in the bathroom. So this is my first time doing this, just like putting really hot water in the bathroom sink and adding some pine salt to it and wiping the counters and the cabinets down. I don't know how often I will do this because I do clean the bathrooms pretty often, so I don't feel like they need a deep clean as much as like the kitchen does, because I just about every day, or at least every other day, I'm wiping down the bathroom counters with some type of cleaner. So, but I did like this technique. It definitely made it go a little bit faster, and I do feel like everything was really clean afterwards.
Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door.
And now we are all done. I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And here is a quick look of how the TV console looks with some decor on it. Again, I love it so much. Let me know in the comments what you all think. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.